Hi friends, so today is December 8th and we sold 3 items. And the first one is this peanuts. I will leave the price in here. They pay $52 for this light up sweater, as you can see, and there is really pretty. I love it, and actually we will wear it for Christmas in our family. So yeah, it's really cool one. Collection piece, something for talking about, you know, in Christmas, which I love. And this is a pack soon in size large, long sleeve. And we got a ideology. They came in a liquidation box, so I'm happy they go, because you had to let it go.
Let it go, let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
Take the offer for $5, so let it go.
So sorry about all the lighting behind my face. In this case, I was trying to filming when I was steaming and taking pictures for this week, so sorry for that. And let's go to more what sold.
Show me the money.
This was the surprise sold for today. I never heard about this brand, but I went for the style. And if you can see something similar from Zara, yeah, I sold for that price. This is my favorite sale for today. This one is the Rock, and it's not vintage, but it still sold for really good price. And this is the profit that we made in that one. Nothing special in this one. I just want to get my money back for the ungated they use for beauty, help in beauty in Amazon. And I am happy that this is the last one.
Well, nobody's perfect.
So today we just had one for UPS, so everything coming to the post office. 35 packages.
Okay, beautiful people, so we just drove 34 packages. I have one I need to drop to the post, to the UPS. I will try to do it today. If you know, it will go until Monday, because it's just one. And plus I have until Monday to ship it them. So yes, I try my best, but I prefer to go and see what I can find, you know. So yes, let's go. So I love this town because it's that circles that you can go anywhere, and there I can go to Goldsboro, and here to Smithfield, and here to Raleigh, I think, and here to Fayetteville. We're going to Fayetteville today.
As you can see, this is kind of serious, or what I love to go and check it out in Walmart. In this case, I went to the toys to look in some items, and I found just this one. Stayed away for nostalgia. This is IP Complaint in Amazon.
So I dropped my packages in here. My package near to the UPS. It was the only store I can't pass it. It's my favorite store.
When I go to Ollie's, what I like to look is the health and beauty category, because usually you will find really good discontinued items that you can sell for really good price, like this one.
Hasta la vista, baby.